Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing KFC Zinger chicken. This is one chicken breast I have cut into 3 pieces, which I will prepare 3 chicken burgers with this. These are the ingredients that I will use on the chicken zinger. I have prepared mustard, Worcestershire sauce, I have vinegar, I have red pepper flakes, garlic powder, and salt. Let's get started. I added some vinegar to the chicken. The vinegar helped tenderize the chicken. I'm going to add some garlic powder to the chicken, Worcestershire sauce to the chicken, mustard, pepper flakes, and salt. I'm going to massage this chicken in this bag, and I'm going to place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. It smells delicious. Again, I'm preparing the KFC chicken Zinger burger. And I have in this cup some flour, cornstarch, rice flour, and baking powder. That's to coat the chicken in. I'm also gonna mix some French fries with this, and I have some lettuce and tomatoes and mayo for the buns. And I'm using wheat buns today. So let me place this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. These are the buns I'm using today. I'm gonna only use 3 buns. This is to make 3 Zinger burgers. It's been 30 minutes, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get the flour chicken. I'll go ahead and 1 egg in here. I'm gonna add a little water. I'll mix it up really well. This is for the chicken. And I'm gonna also add some hot sauce to this. Just a few drops of, and I'm gonna pour the flour mixture in this bag here. Add a little salt to it. Mix it up really well. I'm gonna take the chicken out of the refrigerator. I'm going to add the chicken to the egg mixture here. And then I'm going to mix it with the flour. I'm going to add all 3 pieces to the flour mixture. Take the chicken out of the bag. A plate, I'm going to add it to this plate over here. To let it dry out some before I shallow fry the chicken. And this is the last piece that I'm going to add. It is. I'm going to add it to this plate over here. And this, like I said earlier, this is going to make 3 Zinger KFC sandwiches. So this is going to be a great meal. I have some fries in the oven. I'm going to add a little butter to the skillet so that I can toast the buns. I have this on high right now. toasted buns here. 2 buns in the skillet. At the bottoms in the skillet also. Let those get a little toasted. Shouldn't take long for these buns to be toasted. Like I said earlier, these are wheat buns, which is a very good bun, so I like using them. It's not quite toasted yet. And then they're for a little bit longer. Okay, the buns are toasted. I'll take them out of the pan. The bun looks really good. Turn the skillet off for now. This is the toasted buns. This is the lettuce and tomatoes I have cut up. This is the chicken I added flour to earlier. I'm letting it kind of dry at room temperature for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to shallow fry this chicken. I added condiments to both sides of the burgers, and I also added some onions on it, but KFC never added onions, but I like onions, and I love tomatoes and lettuce, so that's what I'm adding. So the chicken is still sitting over here. I'm about to shallow fry it right now. I place the chicken into the oil, the grapeseed oil that I usually shallow fry and fry food in. I will cook this chicken about 5 minutes on this side, and then about 3 or 4 minutes on the other side. This again is 1 chicken breast that I cut. I tried to cut it into 3 pieces, but you notice I have around 4 or 5 pieces there, but it will make 3 sandwiches, so 3 Zinger chicken sandwiches. Go ahead and turn the chicken over. Turn over the last piece here. Is about ready. Just turning it over one more time. And I added a little pepper to the outside. Even though I added the pepper flakes and regular black pepper on that chicken. So I think there is a little black pepper. Ready. I'm going to go ahead and take it out and add it to the nice looking chicken sandwich. The bun and tomatoes and lettuce. I added some french fries to the plate. It's the chicken sandwich without the bun on it. This is another chicken sandwich that I made. It's a bigger piece of chicken. Go ahead and put the tops on it, the toasted bun. It smells and looks delicious. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.